this is a core sampler set. It has one rammer which is having a weight so that you can put. There is another cutting core cutting place. It has a collar also. Both these are there, and another tube type of core sampler is there. You can just use a tube and see this has come out. You can put a sample and take out the sample, a small sample of it, about 1 inch square. And one more part is there. You can put core sampler like this in any sand, and with the hammer you just press it so that the sample can be drawn a thicker length. It will come out after the cutting. Similar is this, same type. You place it here, push it the center, and then you can take out the sample with the spatula and then use it. These are available from Abron Exports. Please visit the website and abron01. Send us an email abron01@gmail.com. Thank you very much.